Welcome to the Foxes, then we're gonna make spooky slime. We're using a half of cup of glitter glue, and we're using Emma's glue. Oh, that's so pretty. This comes in all colors, even black. Okay, so next we're gonna add some of this, and we're gonna put it in the wood.
And that was a half a teaspoon of baking soda to a half a cup of warm water, right?
Yep.
All right, we gotta stir it up. It dissolves quickly.
Because it's powder.
Yes. And then next, we're gonna add it to the slime, slowly and gently stirring. Good, now stir some. You can start to see it thicken, right? Ooh, already. Add more water. I'm going to show them what it looks like already. The baking soda starts to make it get all slimy.
Now we're gonna add half a tablespoon
of eye contact solution.
Yep.
And that's the activator, right?
Yep.
Okay, and then we're going to see it become slime.
Now going into it.
Look at it. Ooh!
It doesn't look scary right now, but we're gonna make it scary.
Yes, we are.
Squishy glow-in-the-dark eyeballs are added to make it spooky. You could buy these gross and gooey and spooky eyes at Hobby Lobby. Next, spiders are added.
So, thank you for tuning in. This slime is really cool. You should try this recipe. And it's really cool for Halloween. I really like it. It makes clicky sounds. And it makes good bubbles.
Give me a thumbs up.
Thumbs up or thumbs up?